Hello, you guys. I am in this sun hat, my bathing suit, because I'm doing the pergola again, and I gotta get this done before the patio furniture comes in. So let me show you the progress and how I'm doing it now. I got different brushes, and I'm basically just brushing on the OxyClean and then just spraying it off with the hose. So let me show you. All right, here's the pergola. So I did the bottom part a while ago, and I've been working on the upper part right now. It's obviously very difficult because there's all these little nooks and crannies, but I got this long pole and then a short little brush from Walmart. They're like for cleaning like RVs or cars and stuff like that. So it's really nice. It like extends. You could put like soap in this or something, but I'm using OxyClean, so I don't really need to. So literally just using a scoop of OxyClean, and then I have this sprayer and I'm filling this, and then this is what I'm using to spray off the pergola and get all of that stuff off of it. But the main thing that gets it off is the scrubbing with the brush. These brushes are the same types. You can use them on like cars and stuff. They're not super like abrasive or anything. So I just go like this, and then this. And you see how it's starting to lift? Show you maybe over here too. And it gets super, this is literally all dirt, so it's disgusting. That's why I'm in a bathing suit, because look at this. It's disgusting. So this water will be literally black in no time. So it's a lot of work, but this is going to be beautiful once we stain and seal it, and then I won't have to do all this work like ever again. I'll just probably have to stain it again. So look, just lifts the dirt. You could obviously power wash if you wanted, but I find that this is lifting off easier, and then obviously it's not going to damage the wood at all. Hello, you guys. Coming at you with a full face of makeup, about to do the pergola. Gosh, I really do like my makeup today. I'm gonna do a video about how I did this, because I used the Clean Matte BB cream and then got a lot more coverage with the Maybelline Super Stay foundation, I think it is. Like powder foundation. Anyway, it doesn't matter, but I'm gonna do a video about it. So I'm about to, I'm in my swimsuit. I've been wearing one pieces while I do this, because you know, then nothing's gonna fall out. Gotta get my hat and my sunscreen on. I love this hat, especially for when I'm outside, because I have one that's like a full hat. This one's obviously has a wider brim. It's all dirty from doing the pergola, but it doesn't have a top, so I feel like my head doesn't get as hot. But let's get out here. I need to show you, or I want to show you, what the pergola looks like dry, because I feel like it's easier to tell today how much I actually got done yesterday. So I'm planning to do this for at least a couple more hours, so here we go. Alrighty, here is the pergola. Do you see how much I got done up here? Like, this looks so much better. It used to look like that. That to that. That is the difference. Or you could even say that to all these slats up here I haven't touched. So yeah, still a lot to do, and obviously this side of things, but it's coming together, and then we will stain. So yay! It's definitely working though, so it's very good. And unfortunately the dirt has been piling up here, so I need to like address that once I'm done. Literally our yard looks kind of jank, but that's okay. In other news, our patio furniture shipped. It's projecting that it's going to be here, I think, next Wednesday or Thursday, but I'm kind of hoping it comes. Part of me is hoping it comes earlier, but part of me is like, I need to get this pergola done, so I don't know. But I'm so happy that it shipped. It's coming from Florida, so I feel like it's not going to take that long. We'll see. All right, here's some progress. This area is looking so much better. I've been working on that part. I obviously have to do all these little tiny slats. That's the part that's taking the longest. Oh, I missed one over there, I just realized. And all the little nooks and crannies. So I'm gonna be so glad to be done with this. It's just all the scrubbing. Staining it, I don't think will be that hard, but scrubbing all this dirt off is a pain in the butt. If you were about to do this to your pergola or a fence or something, just know you are gonna get so dirty. These shoes are black, and these are from Old Navy. I just got them. They are so comfy. But that's what I've been wearing, but I have dirt literally all over me, so it's messy. Alrighty, here's an update. It's been 3 hours, I want to say. As you can see, I still have some spots to do, but it's coming along. I know I keep saying that, but honestly, it's getting there. I would say maybe an hour or two more of work, because I have to do some of these boards and then these slots, and then I just want to make sure it's really good. So I'm being as thorough as possible, because we will be staining this, you know, but like, can you just picture how amazing this is gonna look, especially when it's stained, and then the fence is stained. Oh, I literally can't wait, because this is dry and this is wet, and I want to do something somewhat similar to the wet, like how it looks when it's wet, maybe a little less orange, but I'm loving it so much, you guys. Hello, you guys. I need to close this. I hate how this always looks. My life is messy right now. I need to get it clean today, but I wanted to share with you guys. So I tried out a new technique for my lips after seeing Courtney Shields on Instagram. She got her makeup done by a makeup artist, and they shared a couple tips, and I want to share with you guys. So I found this lip at Target. It's Almay Color and Care Lip Oil and Stick, and I love it so much. This is in the shade, oops, Dolce de Leche, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute, and it's a little like round top. That's the color, but it's like a balm and kind of sheer, and I love it. So yesterday I paired it with the Almay Milani All Natural Lip Liner and loved it. But then I saw Courtney Shields' story, and the makeup artist was saying that she put concealer in the center of Courtney's lips to create like the perfect nude. So basically she took the concealer that she used on her under eyes, lightly patted it on the center of her lips, used a lip liner, and then I don't know if she put a color on top of it. I'm assuming she did. So I did that today, and I love it so much. So I just patted my concealer in the center of my lips, and then put this on top, and looks great. Hello, I am back in my hat. Can you tell how freaking dirty I am? I'm doing the pergola again. I am so close to being done. It's like finishing touches right now. There's like a few little spots. I've gotten basically the entire thing done. It's just like there's little spots that are harder to reach. I'm gonna go grab a smaller brush to do some of those, and then just like go over things again once it dries a little bit more. The freaking dirt just like splashes me when I'm brushing it on, but let me show you what it's looking like. It looks so good. I think I'm going to stain it, as long as it doesn't rain tomorrow. I'm gonna stain it on Monday, because I'm gonna wait 24 or 48 hours, right? That would be Saturday, Sunday, yeah, and do it Monday. And then our patio furniture is scheduled to come on Wednesday. All right, so here we are. It looks so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. So the darker parts are just the wet parts. And so mainly it's done. The only problems are like, okay, underneath in some spots, it's still like pretty dark. And then there's like a few spots, over here that need to be done, and like this area that I can't fit in and stuff like that, but for the most part we are done. Oh, I'm getting dripped on. And I'm so excited. This is gonna be so amazing once I have this done, and then the back, like the patio put together here. I'm so excited. Yay. Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday. The 17th, I am drinking coffee. So I have a Ninja that like makes a bunch of different types of coffee. Like you can do iced coffee, lattes, a bunch of stuff. And I've been making like a iced latte with the specialty brew. And then I have a milk frother that has a hot setting and a cold setting. And I just tried the cold setting for the first time and made basically like a cold, almost kind of like a cold brew, but not really, with cold foam. And it's so good. So I spent the morning looking at stain and seal for the the fence and pergola. And I think I'm going to go with Ready Seal. I'll put a picture here, in the color pecan or pecan. I don't know how some people say it, but pecan. And they have it at a Home Depot in the next town over. So I think I'll probably go get that today. And then I was looking into how to apply it with either a paint sprayer or a like garden pump sprayer. But the garden pump sprayers are like $30. And then honestly, I found a lightning deal on Amazon with amazing reviews, and it was only $50, originally $100. So I snagged that today. So that'll be here Monday. So I'll probably have to either stain Monday evening or Tuesday, and the furniture gets here Wednesday, so plenty of time to do it. But I'm so excited because people, when I was reading it, I read so many reviews, by the way, of the sprayer and stuff. And they were like, I could stain my privacy fence in like an hour, 2 hours, whatever. And so I feel like it's just going to make work go by so much quicker. And also, I wanted to get a sprayer since it wasn't much difference, so that we could spray other things like eventually when we do home projects. I just know myself, and I know that I would like to use that, especially like on something like this, because spraying it will, one, get a much more even like coat of paint. It'll be a lot prettier, and then also much quicker. So I'm gonna definitely spray this once I obviously do the stain and all that stuff, and once I actually get around to painting that dresser. It's been so long since I like talked about me wanting to do it, but honestly it's just been on the back burner because I'm trying to get this patio set up. But I'm so excited because, again, I can use it for future projects. It wasn't that expensive, so I highly recommend, if you're like looking for something like that to save you time on paint projects, definitely check on Amazon. I honestly thought sprayers would be a lot more expensive. Obviously the super high quality ones are a lot more expensive, but yeah, so I'm very excited. That's kind of my Saturday update. I'm just excited about projects and stuff. Oh, and then let me show you, I'm about to work out as well. I have my workout stuff in here. I work out in here usually on the weekends because Caleb sleeps in. But this is obviously my fiddle leaf, and it's growing some new leaves, which is so exciting. I need to like turn this because it's starting to grow towards the window, this window over here. But I'm so excited to just like have this in this spot because I feel like it's gonna grow nice and tall, and like I want it to be like up here. I feel like that would be so pretty, but obviously that's gonna take a while. So I started using this. Well, I've used it once because I mean you can't use fertilizer all that often. This on my plants, and it was a recommendation from the Rustic Palette on Instagram. She has so many plants and they all just like have so much new growth and they look beautiful. So I started using this. You dilute it. You only need like one little capful, so this whole bottle will last you forever. And my plants are loving it, you guys. So like look at this pothos that I have. So like this one is doing well. This one needs a lot more water than I like remember to give it, honestly. Here's the kitchen. I haven't really showed the kitchen in a while. But look at this pothos. So this whole thing, like all of this is new growth. There's new growth here. This thing is just growing like crazy. I want more of these so bad. I need to cut this leaf off. And it's just loving being up here on the fireplace. Obviously, since we're not going to be lighting the fireplace, I'm totally okay with having plants up here, and it would be so pretty if it kind of like draped down this way. And then this one was struggling hardcore for a while, but this one grew like a big leaf here, and it definitely has some new growth coming in. I'm just kind of giving it time to recoup a little bit, but it's still pretty. This is a philodendron, I believe. And then also really like this one. I think this is like a dragon plant or something. So yeah, and then this one just goes crazy as well. Oh, and this one as well is one of my favorites. I got this one from Walmart, and it is just so pretty. I love the colors and like the different colors in the leaves. And then this one has grown a good amount since I got it too. I want to say it was like down here before, so yeah. Hello. So I just went to World Market and I got 2 jute rugs. They're 2x3 to go by the garage door here and then one by the back door. I'm hoping these will work with a pad underneath so that they don't slip, because our problem right now with these rugs are that they fly everywhere. And I even tried to get these things from Amazon and that did not work. So we'll see. I like the look of a jute rug because we have like other patterns going on and I don't want too much to clash, I guess. Like I'm fine with mixing patterns, but I just don't want too much. So we will see. The real test will be Luna sliding in from outside. She like sprints in and out. So I feel like since these are more heavy rugs, it might work, but I don't know. We'll see. All right, I think they're too small. So I put both of these here because I wanted to see what it looked like with 2 jute rugs in this area. Originally, I was thinking about a big rug here, but then this area is super weird. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these back, I think, and order a 4 by 2 foot 6 inch ones, because this is a 2 by 3 and I feel like it looks too small, and this is 4 feet right here. I have measured out, and this is 2 feet, and so it'll come out a little bit further. I just think it'll look a little bit more grand versus right now it just looks kind of minuscule. So unfortunately I have to return these. The ones on Amazon aren't going to be that much more. I think these ones ended up being like $22 or $23 because I had a coupon, and then the ones on Amazon I think are $27, and they're a little bit bigger, but I'm just bummed. So this has a rug pad underneath and it's not moving. So, I mean, hardly moving. Like Luna literally goes like this and I think it would stay. So the jute is definitely good. It's just not big enough.